Welcome back to my YouTube channel UK Bitcoin. Today we discuss about what are the safest way to store Bitcoin. Bitcoin and crypto use is growing the most in lower and middle income countries. It is used for investing, sending remittance, preserving savings and acting as a substitute when financial services are harder to access. Many products and services have been introduced which make it more convenient for those who used or new to crypto. However, the increased rate of adoption and use has led to increase in hacks and thefts. In its annual analysis of cryptocurrency theft, blockchain analytics and Chainalysis found that 2022 was the worst yet in terms of total value of crypto, 3.8 billion. However, in 2023, theft is decreased to 1.7 billion, but the number of hacks increased. So it's fair to understand how to save, store your cryptocurrency because no storage method is 100% secure, 100% secure. Here are the types of cryptocurrency storage available. Bitcoin storage. When you purchase Bitcoin, you are giving ownership of the amount you bought. You are given two keys. One is your public key, the other is private. The public key is used to encrypt information and in your wallet address, and the private key allows you to decrypt the information or access your Bitcoin. This is key you are storing and safeguarding. Your Bitcoin ownership is safely recorded, stored, validated and encrypted on the blockchain. To date, there are no known events where cryptocurrency has been stolen by altering the information on a blockchain because of the encryption method used. With current technology, it would take countries, if not millennia, to browse force hack blockchain. However, the wallet you use, store your private key and wallet are generally software on a hardware device which makes it hackable. Thus, the weak link lies between the blockchain and the user. Types of storage. There are generally two categories of storage, and number one, desktop pilot, a program that resides on your computer, not the safest storage method. Mobile, a program that is hosted on a mobile device, not very secure. Hardware, a device similar to a USB device, secure depending on if it is connected and how it's connected to another device. Web based, a wallet that is hosted by a web service, not secure as you are letting someone else store your key for you. Custodial wallet. A custodial wallet is a managed by a third party such as exchange like Coinbase. It is arrangement the custodian store of your private key for your guaranteeing their safety and sometime providing insurance on holding up to certain amount. Custodial wallets like these have been the target of many attacks since users began using their services. Exchange have taken measure to harder their services such as moving user key into enterprise level secure data storage so that they can access it. Non-custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets are those you use to store your key with no one else involved. Non-custodial wallets can also be either hot and cold. Hot wallets are software that store your key and have connection to the internet. These violets create vulnerability because they generate the private key needed to access crypto, while a hot wallet is how most user access and make transaction in Bitcoin. They are vulnerable and can be hacked. Our session has been ended. Thank you for watching.